late night glow on the desert floor. Quiet little stone with a history stored. No flashing lights, no sound in the sky. Just ancient dust beneath a summer night. Long before the highways drew a line through the sand, I was cooling in the dark where no footsteps land. Deep in a parent body hidden from the view. Thermal metamorphism slowly pulled me through. Petrologic type 6, every grain rearranged. Old Chondrite texture softened, settled, changed. Olivine kept a signature for 24.5. Tiny numbers in a crystal, keeping ancient time alive. Low calcium pyroxene F's 20.6. Whoa, 1.5 in the elemental mix. No need for a spotlight, no reason to pretend. Every mineral remembers where beginnings never end. I was moving with no destination, floating past another constellation. No clock ticking, no need to know, just gravity telling me where to go. Now I'm resting under faded stars, with a fusion crust and a map of scars. S3 pressure in a quiet frame. W1 weathering barely touched my name. I crossed the dark without making a sound. Carry deep time till I reach this ground. Nothing in a hurry, nothing to prove. 4 billion year memories in a lo-fi groove. Yeah, metal and troilite tangled under the lens. Microscopic inner growth where one phase bends. Iron beside sulfide woven fine and slow, like a hidden little rhythm only thin sections showed. Then a collisions and a pulse through the stone. Shock stage 3 left a language of its own. Not enough to erase what the lattice had learned, just enough to leave a page where the pressure burned. Orbit changed softly, though the impact was loud. I slipped from the fragments, disappeared from the crowd. Cold space wrapped around me like a late night beat. No horizon underneath, no air beneath my feet. Drift, no sunrise, spin, no street lights. Time, no deadline. Stone, still inside. Then the atmosphere came with a bright blue flame. Hypersonic air never asked my name. Ablation on the outside, heat along the face. Black fusion crust forming at the edge of space. The interior stayed cooler while the surface took the fire. Falling through the pressure, velocity climbing higher. Then desert air, silence, gravity below. One final little motion and nowhere left to go. 6,143 grams on the ground. One solitary mass where the mineral dust was found. January winter underneath the southern sun. A journey without witnesses was quietly done. So in line where the warm wind moves. Cell 6 chemistry inside these grooves. Equilibrated grains from an older scene, holding more than anybody ever could have seen. No gold in my color, no jewel in my shine, but planetary history is written in the line. Every phase, every ratio, every weather trace is a calm little postcard from another place. Fought in the olivine, F's in the chain. O marking calcium inside the grain. Sulfide next to metal, pressure in the frame. Earth added only lightly to the story I became. Under polarized light, old chapters reappear. A silent piece of space suddenly feels near. They can call me ordinary by the class that I belong, but ordinary sounds different after traveling this long. L group on the record, type 6 in the stone. A whole parent body history sleeping in my tone. The desert gave me stillness, the lab gave me a voice. Mineralogy translated every ancient choice. No legend was required, no fantasy was known, just chemistry and pressure making memory from stone. Late night glow on the Sonoran sand. Fusion dark edges in a quiet land. From a heated parent body to the place I finally knew. La Cienega drifting under skies of blue.